Good evening, sir.
Okay, thank you. As you can see on the screen, trainer introduction. Myself, Prabhakar Yadav. I am having the graduate member from the IOSH, having the NIVOS level 6 and the designation TSP, Transitional Safety Professional from the BCSP USA. I have more than 12 years of experience as a core HSC professional in the various fields like manufacturing process, manufacturing plants, oil and gas, and construction related experience. And I have certifications of ISO 14,001 and 45,001, and I am the lead auditor of the EMS and OHSMS. I have done the diploma in mechanical engineering. I am the graduate member from the IOS, and I am having the NIVOS level 6 international diploma, and I am the NIVOS examiner as well. Having the designation transitional safety professional from the BCSP USA, and currently I am pursuing the certified safety professional CSP from the board of certified safety professional USA. Okay, then today training topic is excavation and trenching safety awareness training. We will know about the what is excavation, what is trenching safety, and will aware the people to take the safety precaution during the excavation and trenching. Okay, we will start the training sharp at 10 a.m. and will go for the lunch sharp at 1 p.m. Between this, we will go for the refreshment at 11:30 a.m. for the 10 minutes. Okay, and we'll back return at 11:40 for the training session. Okay, so before we start the training session, would I would like to I would like to tell about the emergency exit. If you go your right side, there is a emergency exits. In case of emergencies, then use the emergency exit route to reach the assembly point and wait till the further instruction from the authority. And if you go your left side, there is toilet facilities available and refreshment facilities also available. So we will go at 11:30 and we'll back at 11:40. 10 minutes break for the refreshment for the all people, and would requested to each and every participant, please switch off your mobile phone or keep it in silent mode to avoid the distraction during the training session. Okay, then after the training I will share the feedback form, so please fill and revert to me so that I can I can provide the high quality of training, high quality of knowledge, and improving the our content. Okay, so before proceeding the training session, I would like to each and everyone, please introduce about yourself, like name, designation, and years of experience as well. So please unmute yourself and introduce about self. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. My name is Sasiranjan Gupta.
Yes.
I am having job as a safety officer, and I have nearly 10 years of experience in HSC department. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Which types of project you are currently working?
I am working on the smelter project, copper smelting project in Indonesia.
Okay. What is the process of this unit?
Process of the unit. Uh,
What
process.
manufacturing of this organization? What will going to
Yeah,
manufacture?
co- copper.
The copper. Okay, okay, great, great,
Yeah.
great, Shashi. Thank you. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you for introducing. Okay, so During this training session, we will cover the following things as displaying on your screen, like okay. Is anyone having a hearing problem or any visibility problem? So that I will
No,
take
sir.
action to deliver the training method in different way. Anyone?
No, 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 no problem, sir. It's all okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for confirmation. Okay, great. So, course content will cover the training aim. What is the aim of the excavation? What is the learning outcome of the excavation and trenching? We will cover in this training session, and also we'll know about the definition. Definition. What is the trenching? What is the excavation? We'll discuss in this training program, and also. We'll know the soil classification, which types of soil classification, and what are the allowable slopes during the excavation work. We will also know in this training session further, and also what need to consider if you are choosing the sloping and supporting measure, what factors need to be considered. We will also this, and what are the hazards associated with trenching work if we are going to work in the you know excavation and trenching work, or which types of hazard, which types of risk associated chance associated with the this type of activity. Okay, and what are the protective system? There is four types of protective system: sloping, benching, shoring, and shielding. We will discuss in detail about this in the uh, training session. And if we are going to work inside the excavation, which types of access and accuracy required? So we will discuss in this training session. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
aim of this training, what is the aim of this training? The aim of training is potential hazard. If we are going to work with excavation, then what what can be potential hazard? We will know the aim of this training, what is cabins, what is utility strikes, and how we can prevent the accident during the excavation work. And before excavation work, what is the safety rules and regulation we need to follow to create the safe work environment at workplace? This is the aim of the our training. And learning outcome, what is the learning outcome of the training? End of the training session, you are able to explain about the understanding the hazards, what which types of hazard can be created during the excavation work, what is the protective methods like shoring, shielding, benching method, and what which types of soil qualification, and what are the allowable slopes during the excavation. You can easily understand and explain to someone. Okay, and you can also take a precaution during the work of the excavation at your workplace, and what and how we can prevent the accident, eye injuries during the excavation activities. After the training session, you are able to explain all these things. Okay, so before proceeding the training, I would like to ask what is excavation? If anyone know, please. We will discuss about the excavation, but I want to know about what is excavation. Can anyone please?
Yes, sir. Uh, Removing soil below the ground level through manual or mechanical is called excavation.
Okay, great, great. Thank you, Sasi.
Thank you, sir.
Earlier, Mr. Shashi given the definition of the excavation. I same here written as any man-made cut, cavity, trench, or depression formed by the earth removal by the manually or mechanically. Just called is excavation. Okay. If I talk about the trench safety, so what is trench? Trench, the depth is greater than the width, and ensure width is not greater than the 15 feet. That's called it trench. As you can see in the picture one, that's example of the excavation. As you can see in the picture two, the great example of the trench, as you can see. And for me to work, when we need, before going to start the excavation work, we need to obtain the permit to work PTW from the authorized person. Okay. So before going to start the excavation, we need to consider why need to be considered because there is chance of pipeline, water pipeline, gas pipeline, electrical cable, and many types of utility cable. So that's why we need to take PTW before going for excavation from the authorized department, authorized person. Okay. So and we will also discuss about the soil classification and maximum allowable slope. How many types of soil classification and the maximum allowable slope? How many degrees are allowable slope for the specific soil? We will see. As you can see, first one is stable rock, natural solid mineral water. Okay, we our maximum allowable slope is 90 degree. As you can see in the picture one, if there is stable rock, then we can excavate the soil in the 90 degrees. And if and there is type A soil. Type A soil means cohesive type, such as the clay or rock. It's mixing of the clay or rock. Okay, and it's allow maximum allowable slope is 53 degrees. So and the type B soil, a less cohesive soil, and the mix up of the sand, rocks, and clay is will consider in the type B soil, and its maximum allowable slope is 45 degrees. Okay, so uh, and another was the last one is type C soil. If the less cohesive soil such as gravel, sand, muddy are freely seeping soils somewhere the but it's not stable. Okay, it's called in the type C types of soil, and its a maximum degree allowable is 34 degrees. Okay, anyone have question about this? Please ask if any question.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes, please.
After many meter depth, then we need to require confined space PTW?
Okay, great question. Great. Uh, thank you, Sasi. Sir, thank you for question. Okay, if depth is 1.2 meter or more than 1.2 meter, then we will consider the confined space, and then we need to obtain a confined space work permit to work from the authorized agency. Hope you are clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. Factor to consider when choosing between supporting and sloping. When we are going to choosing the supporting uh, using the supporting and the sloping, we need to consider soil classification, which types of soil we are going to provide the support, size of area, how many depth, how many square meters we need to discuss, we need to consider, and how many meters depth of the excavation, weather condition like light system, any storm, rainy season, we all need to consider, and work duration, how many hours people are going to work inside the excavation, any adjacent structure nearby the excavation, we need to also discuss. Disturbed soil means any soil which there is chance to fall in the excavation like cabins. Okay, so all these things factors need to be considered when we are going to supporting and sloping. Okay, here are the some great example common hazard associated with the trench and excavation. There, as you can see, the cabins. If we are going for the excavation, then you know chance to fall off soil in the excavation, as you can see in the picture one, and there is asphyxiation due to lack of oxygen. If going to work inside the excavation, there is lack of oxygen, so people may asphyxiation, and there is fall into excavation, into excavation if a person work moving nearby the excavation or any machinery moving by the near excavation due to heavy load may topple inside the confined space, in the excavation, as you can see the picture number two. Okay, and inhalation of toxic materials. If there is a lot of utilities cable, underground utilities cable like a gas pipeline, water pipeline, electrical cable, there is chance to fire explosion, and there is multiple lines of water. And if we worked nearby the excavation, like vibration, like compacting the soil, many things. So chance to collapse the material inside the confined, sorry, into the excavation. Okay, so here is the some great protective methods to prevent the soil in the excavation. As you can see in the method, as you can see the picture one, this is the sloping method. So by using the such types of excavation, we can prevent the fall of person in the excavation, fall of the soil in the excavation. Okay, and it is also easy access and agrees to work inside the excavation. Okay, and the second one is benching method. As you can see in the picture two, there's a step cutting, so that it will also help to prevent the cabins, prevent the fall of soil in the excavation. Okay, this method can save the any human lives. And third one is soaring method. As you can see the picture one, providing the providing the by using the barrier two uh, between the two seals and proper pipeline as a tight between this trench. And the fourth one is trench shield. It is a mostly this is using for the trenching excavation, for the trenching excavation. Okay, as you can see the picture second and third. If we are going to work inside the excavation, then we need to provide the access and egress. As you can see in the picture one, the portable ladder must be 3 feet above from the ground, as you can see. And after the all the excavation work, we need to barricade the excavation area. As you can see the picture two, display the signages board, and also paste the radium signages to easy visibility at night time, and also hard barricade the excavation area. It's all about the trench safety. Okay, trenching and excavation safety. If anyone has a question, please ask to me.
Yes, sir. I have a doubt. I have a question.
Okay.
How many type of protective system?
Okay. As recently, as we discussed about the protective system. Okay. So there is four types of protective system. As earlier, so sloping, benching, soaring, and shielding. Okay. Hope you are
Okay, sir.
clear.
Thank you.
So I want to
Yes,
ask,
sir. Thank you.
I want to ask a question from all of you. Uh, how many types of soil?
Uh, yes, sir. It's
Yes, please.
a stable rock and A, B, C.
Okay, good, good.
Type A, type B, and type C.
Okay, great. Thank you, Sasi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I hope it training was very useful to you, and thank you for all participants for joining the training session. Okay, thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.